If you can hang a picture, you can hang your shutters in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All shutters have the same basic parts: the frame, panels, and the hardware. Today, I'm installing an inside mount shutter with corner braces, as you can see here. Depending on the shutter you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, and that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. Lay the sections of the frame with the hinges facing the floor. Notice that each section is marked to indicate where in the window it will be. Line up the top, bottom, left, and right sections of the frame into a rectangle as shown. Since the front of the frame is facing the floor, the left and right sides should be flipped. Gently insert a corner key into each end of the frame sections until they click into place and join together. If you wish to reinforce the corners of your frame, you'll want to attach the corner braces. Set a brace at each corner of the back of the frame, and while pinching the corner together, insert the provided screws. With the frame ready, place it into your window until it is flush with the wall, and insert the left and right top screws fully. Then drill the screws back out slightly to allow for adjustments later. The next step is to attach the panels. Align the hinges of the panels with the hinges of the frame and drop a pin through to secure them together. Place a level on the bottom of the frame, then shift the frame left to right until the frame is level. While holding the bottom frame in place, insert a screw into the bottom holes of the left and right frames. Test the panels to make sure they are straight and close easily. If not, slightly drill out the bottom screws and shift the frame again until it's level. When the panels are straight, tighten the bottom screws first, followed by the top screws. Using the remaining frame holes as your guide, fully insert the rest of your screws. That's it! Make sure the shutter works by grabbing the center louver and gently tilting the louver open and closed. Do not use the tilt bar, as this can cause unnecessary wear and tear to the louvers. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new shutters from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.